Welcome to solverfy.
.70. You have a disagreement between two of your friends, apparently. We're discussing what gets used up when a battery dies. One of them says that it's the current that's used up, and another one says it's that energy is used up. And who, if either, do we agree with, and why? So let's think for a moment. The idea of current being used up doesn't really make a whole lot of sense because what gets used up should be something that the battery has sort of by itself, even when it's not being used to power a circuit. And current only exists when there's a connection of some sort between the terminals of the battery. So this isn't really true. And there's not, strictly speaking, a finite amount of current that the battery could supply, because current sort of is something that exists at one instant in time. And so if you had a battery that had a low enough internal resistance not to melt itself, it could provide an arbitrary current, although not for necessarily very long, because it's the energy that gets used up in the battery. There's energy that's stored as potential energy for in chemical reactions that can occur. And so when sort of all of the reactants have combined with each other, then the energy that was stored in the battery is gone, and the battery is dead, and you have to replace it or recharge it.